This one's a level 8. We're doing it in JavaScript. It's called Find the First Non-Consecutive Number. And as always, there's a link to the challenge in the show notes right below the video. Try it out before watching. You've always got this to fall back on if you get stuck. All right, your task is to find the first element of an array that is not consecutive. By not consecutive, we mean not exactly one larger than the previous element of the array. If we find an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, so I guess we would be returning 6. So that's the first non-consecutive number. Okay, cool. All right, so let's do this. I think what we're going to do is have, let's see, the first non-consecutive number. I think you can do, I want to do looping through. I kind of want to do array for each, JS for each, and I want to see if you have, if it's possible to have the previous number in there, because you can have these functions that can do, I know like reducing, you can do the previous number in the array, but it doesn't look like we're going to do that. So I think what we'll do is we'll just do for loop I1. So we're going to start at the second number and look to see if it's if we're consecutive at that point. So we're going to go for let I equal to 1. Remember, that's because we're starting at the second number in the array. We're going to go for as long as I is less than array.length, increment I. Okay, so what we're going to do is if array I, if we subtract the previous one, so array I minus 1, if the result of this, okay, so think about it, if they're consecutive, then this result should be 1, okay? If it's not equal to 1, so not equal to 1, then we return that number. So return RI, okay? So again, this is a test for consecutiveness. The difference between a number and its previous number is always going to be 1 if they're consecutive. So in any case that it's not that, I can throw in another equals there. So bang, double equals. If it's not that, then they're not consecutive. Okay, so expected defined to equal no. Okay, so if at the end you don't have, if you have a perfect array, then you're supposed to return null, I guess. So here, so JavaScript functions, if you don't return anything, they return undefined, and we need to return null. All right, I think we got it. Great job, y'all.